got it. Honey, I got it. For what you can use a GoPro case for is really unbelievable. Open the bottle of water. Enjoy your water. Rule number 1, please shower before entering the pool. So getting a shower. I've got such a severe sunburn from yesterday. Also, I put on lotion several times. That's why we're not going to the beach today as originally planned. At least I got some shade here. I see this as a preparation for island hopping. I need to lay a foundation for the next days. I need to put on the lotion not only once, but several times laying at the pool. Oh God, this sunburn. Oh, it hurts so much. Does it stop? And? Is it working or? That's just electricity here. Here are the pipes. Is there more water or not? Ah, there are 2 pipes. This one is... There's water coming out, but not of this one. Oh my God. So the orange is okay, but the black is definitely too hot to... You need to do it as quickly as possible. It's too hot, honey. It's so hot. The sun moves during the day, so you also have to move the umbrella. So I just came up here to get water, but the maid hasn't made our room yet. And I then thought maybe get a coffee, but we also ran out of coffee. Do you have water maybe? What? Water?
Water? True water?
Oh yeah. Hop and crab. Hop and crab. So I got a water. Here, now trying to do a backflip, which I never did before. That's gonna be my first time. I don't know. I don't know if I can do it, but One, two, three. ...365 days of adventure, travel and explore. We are traveling around the world for 1 year and we need some days off. And today is one of those days. We are done with the pool, now going to the beach. Most of the people are saying that wow guys, that must be amazing. You are traveling and you are on holidays for 1 year. And yes, it is. It's a lot of fun and it's a big adventure because we don't know where we'll be in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks or in even 5 months. But on the other side, it also can be very, very stressful. Especially the last week showed us that when you have to look for a new accommodation, for a new flight, you're googling always, okay, for example, like here, Krabi, top 10 must-dos, attractions. And also this fear of missing out. I mean, when you are somewhere, you also want to take full advantage of that. And yeah, this, I really can't explain that, but it really can be stressful. So today and yesterday were 2 days where we really said, okay, just let go to the pool or being at the beach and don't do anything. So yes, we need days off from traveling, because traveling can also be quite stressful. And we now jump into the water at the beach for the first time.
Honey, your shoes! Your shoes! Oh my god! I got them!
Today's vlog was mostly shot with the GoPro 7 Black, so it has not the best quality, but this GoPro has also a history, because this is the third GoPro Hero 7 Black I bought within 1 week in... Honey, what was that? Which year? I think it was summer 2018, because when we bought the Hero 7 Black we went to Madrid and this one got stolen.
You will wait! The police is coming!
No, es que yo tampoco no tengo que estar hablando contigo. ¿Qué cosa?
I have you on camera, you stole my bag!
Y ya está bien.
No, you will
A
wait!
couple of days later, when we came back from holidays, we attended at the Strong Viking, a competition where I had exactly this GoPro mounted on my head, just like this, and I was on a swing jumping into the water, lost this one while jumping into the water, and the second GoPro got lost. And this is the third GoPro I bought within this week. And what I've learned out of that is be very careful to your gear. I mean, this one costs approximately around 400 euros, so I spent 1,200 euros for the same camera within 1 week. And I bought this, which I'm gonna try out right now. In the pool, it's too risky for me to try it out in the ocean. Quite heavy. I can't really imagine that this is... Let's check it out. Honey, I want to try out this construction. Can you help me? No, I want to do it. You? Okay. It really is working! You see that? That's gonna be my last GoPro I ever bought. I just told the story about the third GoPro buying within 1 week. You know? Yeah. So we can't lose the GoPro anymore. But it still can get stolen, which I don't hope. So, as I already said in the beginning, today's vlog is mostly filmed with GoPro, with my cell phone and with the G7X, so the sound and the quality of today's vlog might suck, but it works anyway. Yes, ready.
Tauche unter, ne? 1, 2. Bin damals.
I see. Honey, I'm sorry, I shot a video. I just have to put this in today's vlog. I mean, it was so funny, we just shot a few pictures here. Fabian sitting there. I need to put the pictures in the video. I need to do that. And it was so funny.